How to change your settings on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can change your settings on Twitter, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change your settings on Twitter, it also really depends upon what you're trying to change in the first place, because there are a couple of things that you can work on. So let me go ahead and show you in detail. Just open up Twitter, tap on the profile icon from the top left, go to settings and support, and here go to settings and privacy. If you'd like to change the information of your account, such as the email, your username and so on, you can go to your account section, go to account information to change your account details. You can change your password, you can download or deactivate your data as well. After that, you can go to security and account access, or you can go to monetization, which is only available for creators, or you can go to privacy and safety to view some of the content, to make your account private, to protect your tweets. To view sensitive content setting, you need to go into the option called content ESC. You can display media that you may think are sensitive or not. You can also explore the settings as well as the search settings if you'd like. Now, since all of this is actually just your personal preferences, I'm not going to get into each of these in detail, but this is just an overview as to how you can change your settings on Twitter. You can go through each of them manually. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.